सीझन चालू जाल्लें आसा तुमचे शेकाचे कितें पॉलिसी
ती आमी GTC करना, ते डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ टुरिझम करता. सो त्यांनी कितें केलां म्हणटा. सो आय डोंट इंटरफियर इन दीस थिंग. सो बट एज GTDC वी आर फोकसिंग ऑन द इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर वॉट वी हॅव ट्रायंग टू क्रिएट टू ब्रिंग इन मोर पीपल लायक एडवेंचर इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर ते आमी करता विथ द हेल्प ऑफ अ प्रायवेट प्लेयर. म्हणजे खंय तरी एंटरप्रेनर वी आर हँड होल्डिंग हिम, creating a platform for him. He is investing and we are giving a hand-holding partner. And that is all we have seen. So we are having new ideas and we'll come out with new ideas in GTC.
आता तुम्ही ते लिजाक दिल्ले आसले पळय ते
लिजाक पळय तेजे पोतो रिपीट करता. लिजाक जी प्रॉपर्टी दिल्ल्यो, it is a conscious decision by the board of GTC. See, we cannot go again and again to the government for asking money. So these prime properties what has been given, some of them, 1 or 2 were operating and 2, 3 were not operating. So there are 5 properties. Out of that 5 properties, 3 have been taken, 2 are yet to be taken. And after 3 times, 4 times tender also people are not coming. So which are 3 properties which have been given today are in a mode which will help us develop the other 10 properties. We don't have money. Today if you have GTDC, if you say we don't have money and we have to create money. So this is a part of creation of wealth for GTDC to take care of the others. We are not going to do more properties. So Miramar, which was done, we have not handed over right now because the formalities are there. We are getting upfront of almost 45 crores. So when we get 45 crores from that upfront, it is not to be returned. In 30 years, the property will be returned back to us after developing. It will run for 30 years. If it is wrong, it is for the people to decide. I have no problem. My conscience.
99 years
ना ते रॉंग. पयरूय सांगलें, एसेंब्लीनूय सांगलें ते गोश्टी खबर ना, सांगपाक जायना. जांकां कोणाक जाय हांव खंय ओपन डिबेटाक बसपाक शकता. कोणूय येवं टायम घेवचो म्हजे कडेन हांव खंय रस्त्यार येवं बसता. म्हाका काय प्रॉब्लम ना. 99 इयर्स कोणाक दिवं ना आनी हे जो रॉंग नोशन आहा हे लोक बेश्टे ऑपोजिशन हे बेश्टे बोवाळ मारता. 30+30 म्हणजे अप टू 30 years इज बीन गिवन and if they successfully operate for another 30 years. So this is the model. So I don't find anything wrong and this is being followed everywhere in India. So you cannot take money from the taxpayer and pump into infrastructure. When I ask government money, it is taking money from the taxpayer and putting infrastructure, which is not correct. It should generate from the own corporation. So this is what conscious decision we have taken to generate the money from our own corporation and spend that money on the corporation and other residencies. So I don't think, I'm not bothered about opposition. I saw that rally at GTDC selling of properties. I'm not bothered. People of Goa should trust me, and if anybody wants to ask me anything, I'm there anytime. I've told the opposition also. I challenge them to come. Nobody is coming. Nobody wants to come to debate with me. So where the question of selling properties? When my conscience is clear, I know what I am doing now. Today we had an inauguration of walkover extension. There was a GTDC office on top, which was brought in auction way back. We sold it in auction mode again, and today it is become a store. So that also I should have kept. When we are not operating in the office, we have got a very spacious office. The conscious decision of the board was to sell the property by way of auction, and we had bought it for 28 lakhs. We got some, I think, 3.5 crores for that property on top, which we had bought for auction. So we will do what is good for us, for the corporation, and see that the corporation rises. Today I am very proud to say that mine is the only corporation who the government has said that 7 pay commission can be given to the employees. So my employees are happy. No other corporation still the decision has been taken to pay 7. So it is the interest of the people of the corporation that I am doing, and the union of the corporation, that's a big union, always they had issues about the corporation. When I took over from as a chairman, it was in losses. Today the corporation is profits and all their dues which were there have been paid. So how is that? It's because of these efforts हांव जे घालता हेजेरूच ते फुडें वयता.